someone is fighting over an estate, it better be this one.
This is Tata Estate, one of India's first ever station wagons.
But this wasn't just another car.
The Estate was Tata's attempt at building a premium, lifestyle-oriented family vehicle at a time when India wasn't even thinking about it. Clean straight lines, a long bonnet, rectangular headlamps, and proper metal bumpers.
Oh.
The Estate was surely an ambitious project developed under JRD Tata's legacy and Ratan Tata's vision. And yes, while some will argue the design was inspired by the W124 station wagon, it actually shared its platform with the Tata Telco Line 207 pickup long before platform sharing was even a thing.
The most defining part of the Estate was obviously its long stretch silhouette.
At around 4.6 meter in length, it was one of the longest car in the country at the time. It was not as sporty looking as the Sierra, but it was designed to be useful because it had a proper 5-door layout with a foldable rear seat which opened up approximately 1000 plus liter of boot space. Now this made it a practical family tourer, but it was also a great car for all your extracurricular activities.
औरत का चक्कर बाबू भाई.
Now this car was powered by a 1.9 liter diesel engine producing 68 bhp and 108 Nm of torque. This 1.6 ton car took nearly 44 seconds for 0 to 100. So yes, it was kind of slow. But where the Estate really stood out was on the inside. You got a full instrument cluster with a tachometer, which only Tata Sierra and Estate offered back then. The car even had power windows, power steering, and was among earliest car in India to feature central locking and even factory-fitted music system. Back in the 90s, it even offered a rear wiper with washer, something even some modern cars miss out these days. The seats were also wide and comfortable, and rear passengers also had generous space. The Tata Estate was way ahead of its time. In fact, except tires, most of the parts on this car are still stock, so be it the paint or even the interiors. In fact, Vivek sir plans to keep this car in original condition for as long as possible to preserve its real legacy. So Tata Estate or Sierra, what would have been your choice? Let us know in the comments below.